On a rainy day in the garden, I see silk coming out of my corn ears here. I see one corn, an ear of corn there growing on this stalk. And I see one growing right here. Look at that silk. Okay, I see you forming. Come on, corn. I see you. And I know when they say you start turning brown and dried up, that means that corn, that ear of corn there is ready to be harvested. Okay. Come on. Gotta be more than just one ear of corn growing. Oh no, that's more than one. Look at that one. Okay, I see you. I see you got two on that one. Okay. Come on, corn. Grow a lot for us. I think I'm gonna put some more corn in some other beds in the garden. I think I got maybe enough time to maybe grow some more. Do I see any more ears of corn forming on any of these over here? Not yet. Come on. Can't wait. My first year growing. First season growing corn, and I see the silk of the corn coming out there. I see two right on that one. Come on. Grow a lot of corn for us. Okay. Looking around in my watermelon bed. I see this watermelon is still growing. Come on, get bigger for us. You're looking great, looking great. I only see two growing in this bed, but I saw a lot of blooms, but I only have two that have really gotten big in the garden bed. Let's see how this one is looking. Okay, watermelon. Come on and get bigger for us. Yes. Come on, cucumbers. Second round of cucumbers. Here, come on. See a lot of blooms. Come on and grow us a lot more cucumbers so we can harvest. I see a lot of blooms. Come on, cucumbers. Looking good. Yes, you are. Look at my beautiful okra tree. I call it a big old tree. Look at the stem on that one. It's really thick this season. Oh yes. Okay. See a lot of blooms still on you. Okay, okra. Oh boy, I think I need to harvest you. Yeah. Let me harvest you right now. See if I can get it. Didn't bring my scissors out here. Okay, nice okra. Look at that beautiful okra there. Okay, let me harvest you too. Ooh, you pop right off. Look at that. That's some nice, beautiful okra. More coming.